Hey everyone, Alex here. Today I want to show you our latest product, Envision Blocks. Basically, it's a bundle of two products. It's a WordPress theme and WordPress plugin. Right now I'm going to show you how you can install it. First, I'm going to install a theme. This theme name is Envision X. So here we installing it. Next, you need to enter your license key to activate the theme. After activation, you'll be redirected to this screen where you can see all different links. You can check our knowledge base, rate us, contact if you have any issues. Then you have starter sites here. These are predefined template kits. Then next, you have to proceed to installing required plugins. And here is the most important is Envision Blocks Pro. This plugin also requires Elementor. So I'm going to click Begin Installing Plugin first. And I'm going to install Envision Blocks Pro first. This is a premium plugin, so you have to enter a license as well. So I'm going to enter it here and activate it. Next, you'll be redirected to this screen. This is basically a main dashboard of Envision Blocks plugin. Here you can see all the widgets that are available in the plugin. You can switch them off if you don't want them to load. But even if they are on, they are not gonna render they are not gonna render any CSS and JavaScript. So basically they load dynamically, so that's good for your speed and performance. Then we have a WooBuilder, like some WooCommerce widgets that are currently off because I don't have WooCommerce installed right now. So next I'm gonna click Starter Sites and show you these predefined starter sites that are available. So in this example, I'm gonna install store. So I just click import. There is nice installation windows, wizard available. So we click next. Next, we need to install all the required plugins. Elementor is of course the most important because our plugin Envision Blocks is basically an extension for Elementor. Then for shop we need WooCommerce, and these are optional, but they just add additional features like variation swatches, Ajax filter on your catalog pages, wish list, and quick view. They are totally optional, so you don't have to install them. Just for this demonstration, I'm going to show you all these plugins, how they look, how they work. So the plugins are now installed. Next, we move to the next step and click import. Here you have to wait, depends on your server and hosting. I'm going to just skip this part so you don't have to wait, and we'll show you what's next. All right, so our demo is now imported. All done. Have fun. Click View Your Website button, and you'll be redirected to your front end. And that's basically it. So you have a fully working, functional demo with all the products here, all the widgets that we have. So I'm gonna Next, I'm going to show you how to edit some of the pages and what is available. By default, you also have dark mode. Out of the box, it's all working. Then we have product widget that shows product slider. Then we have add to wish list. We can add to wish list. Here, as you can see, the product is now added to wish list. We can also quick view. Then we can add to cart. And now it shows of canvas cart. Let's try again. Yeah, I probably should check this. Okay. Yeah, but we are gonna fix it, of course. Then we have hotspot widget here that you can show your products as well. And next I'll show you product pages. So we click any product and we are redirected to the product page. So the product pages, by the way, are, let's try to check cart also again. Okay, now it's fixed. So this is how the cart works, by the way. It's an off-canvas cart. So product pages, by the way, are fully editable. So you have this option to edit this. So you can click edit with Elementor. And we also include multiple product variations, so product layouts. So you have a grid layout, column layout, which can be useful in many cases. So I click edit with Elementor and I'm now redirected to Elementor editor screen. And here, as you can see, we have a product and we have title and cart and all the important components. So here we can click this product image and we can change also to layout grid, for example, which looks like this. Can be really nice for some cases. Then once you're done with editing this, you just click publish and you got the product live. Then you can also edit header and footer using Elementor, so it's can be accessed here. You can also go in your dashboard, click Envision Blocks and go to templates, and you'll see all the Elementor templates for footer, mega menu, header, single product, and so on. So for example, I'm gonna click header, edit with Elementor. I'll be redirected to Elementor editor to edit my header. This header is my default header. If you click edit here, you'll see, let me just go back. We try to click header. You'll be redirected to this screen. And from here you can see basically the activation of this template, and then this is a default header, so it will show on all the pages, and the location is template location is header, so it will display in header area. So this is how header looks. Here we have two headers by default. This one is sticky header that will show when you scroll the page. Let me just refresh it and show you. Then you can edit basically anything. You can edit menu, icons, and so on. Change your logo here, upload your logo, upload dark version of your logo. And hit publish once you're done. Then if we go back here, we see custom fonts also. This is another feature. We have custom fonts. We have widgets. We have templates. So let's try to check how variable product looks. So this product has different variations, so we're going to check this. That's how it looks. So this is the variation swatches. So when I change, as you can see, the product changes. And we have nice sticky column here that can improve your conversions. And when we scroll down, you can see columns. Click, it opens your image. This area description is also fully editable. I can show you maybe in later videos. So then we have a shop page. It's your main catalog page. Here we have Ajax filters. For example, if I filter green, it will show me only green products. We can reset. We can choose filter by size, filter by price. And all of this is happening without reloading the page. So it's loading it using Ajax. We can click next page. So that's basically it. If you want to learn more, visit theoteams.com and you can check Envision X theme, or you can click Envision Blocks plugin. This is basically a bundle. So when you buy it, you get 2 products. So I'll just show you our main landing. These demos are included in the package, so you get 4 predefined starter sites. So the one that I show you is Shop, good for online businesses, online stores. Then SaaS is this demo that you can see here to present your product. Agency is nice if you're a freelancer or agency to present your portfolio. I'm going to quickly show you this. So, and startup is a nice multi-purpose demo for businesses and agencies and for startups as well. You have dark mode out of the box. Let's try to check it. The price for this product is $49 for one website. You get basically plugin and theme and all the widgets in the plugin. I didn't show you widgets, but there are plenty here. Some of these are really nice. You can check them out. I'll just show you some, for example, this one. So we have 50 widgets as of now included in this package, and we're going to add more in the future, so stay tuned. This is some nice widget to show maybe some work, some projects that you've done. It has video integration as well. Then I'll show you agency demo. So that's how it looks. It's nice for agencies and if you're freelancers offering services. There's nice unique widgets here. Testimonial slider, marquee. Then we have agency demo with some promo sections, icon boxes. We have tabs here. Testimonials with video testimonials. And this includes also multiple pages like about, service list. Of course, you can also edit your blog. So blog is fully editable. This is also a widget that you can edit. This is a single post. Then we have about pages, contact pages, all this here. Contact page where people can contact you. There's a Google map here. So that's basically it. So you get a theme, premium theme, and a premium plugin all together with 4 starter sites, 50 widgets, WooCommerce builder, header and footer builder, some amazing WooCommerce features, and that's all. So thank you for watching and see you next time.